We're in our second day of the removals of various exotic species on Maungarei, Mount Wellington. It's a project from the Maungarei Authority where they are removing exotic species and also replanting 10,000 native plants. All the trees on the tiki, the summit, are being removed with a helicopter due to the archaeological sites throughout the mountain.
My vision from this planting is that it creates a forest that is not only good for people, but it's good for the environment. And so anyone in the future can come along, look at it, and be happy in the knowledge that we're not just planting trees, we're not just creating a forest, we're repairing the ecosystem to be what it should have been. Which really, for me, is a legacy, really.